Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are doing great, having a great week, short week this week, and hopefully you guys are killing it out there. Once again, guys, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to be more motivated to make more videos for you guys. Let's look at the markets overall. Uh, so in the markets, I mean, if you look on the Twitterati or StockTwits, people are really talking about, you know what, we are getting a big pullback, yada yada yada. But if you look at the big scheme of things, hell, we are not even. Um, there are a lot of key levels. It hasn't even broken yet. I mean, today it did go down a bit, but then it got bought right back up, right? I mean, markets are still great to trade. There is really no fear in the market. The sector that I talked about on Tuesday, the speculative sector, this one had a bit of beaten down, right? So I didn't really trade any small caps, right? Take a look at what the sector is doing or the index is doing, and then try to trade accordingly. One trade I did trade today was LB. So always look on the trend on the daily chart, right? If you look on the daily chart, you don't really need to be a genius to know that this trend is on the downside, right? Uh, at least on the daily chart since September. So today it had a bit of a gap down. The way I really traded it was I looked on the 5-minute chart and see if there was an opportunity for me, right? So I usually look at the round and half numbers. So the $50 level was the level that it actually, which was the 5-minute opening range break. So once I saw it close under 50, close at 49.92, I went in over here and I shorted 300 shares of 189. Had a bit of a crappy entry on there, but the stock actually started flushing down, and as I always do, I took my profits. Now this stock actually did end up going all the way to 48, which is a $2 move, but I made my 50 cents, 50 cents, and I was more than happy with it. Right, so overall gain of $120. Now, in terms of multi-time frame analysis, on the daily, the trend is clear on the down. Trying to find an area to trade against, and I trade 50 and got a few trades on there. It was acting a bit sloppy as well on the tape, but I guess it is down over 15%, so it's legit to have those snapbacks on there, right? This had a snapback 565, 4940, high 436. So I guess if it once I moved myself to 450, it was actually going to be an easier trade. But it is what it is on 300 shares. Now looking at the other sectors, right? If I look on the Chinese momentum, actually got smoked out today. I think somebody, either SINA, WB, or NetEase had some earnings or some shit like that. SINA, if you look at it, it's just a big hot mess, right? It's $84, $62, just chop fest out here. Personally, I don't really want to trade something which is chop fest. If you look at the 5-minute chart, there were some opportunities on 5-minute charts, so I didn't really trade it, but when I look back on it, once it went under the $73 level, there was a clean break, right? The stock actually went from 79 to 73 out of sideways consolidation before breakdown, right? The other Chinese name, WB, Weibo, really similar, and this one is actually a bit easier. Once it breaks this trend at 53, it actually starts tanking all the way to 49, so $4 drop, right? What else is there? China. So anything which is Chinese and technology really got smoked out, right? Let me do the sector. Let's see, right? So CYOU, Baidu got smoked out, CCIH got smoked out. So anything which is Chinese and technology got smoked out. One of the NetES, which is what are the growth stories in Chinese sector, right? I mean, you look at the numbers on it. EPS over 30%, sales over 30%, rising earnings, rising sales. Even that got taken to the woodshed today, right? So try to understand the sectors, and the sector that I traded today was LB, L Brands, which is in the retail sector, and as you guys know, it's in the consumer discretionary services, apparel stores, whatever it is. I'm not really sure what they do, but what I do know is the retail sector, which is the XRT, has just been terrible. Right? So that's it for the day, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And once again, up $120. Hopefully we close on strong for Friday. Have a good one.